Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077241. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once done, you can go back. If you see retry option, hit retry or click on check for update, install it and then check. Still not working. Go to Windows Update in Windows settings. Here you can see pause option, hit pause over here. And once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates. Now click on resume updates over here and then you can check. Still not working. Then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now once the scan is 100% complete, in my case it is already done. Once it is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once this third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here first. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. So in my case, the version is 25H2 over here. Now check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And over here you will see KB5077241 update. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option over here. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Once the download is complete, run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop, then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option over here and then let it close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.